tornado emergency for the Waco metropolitan area. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for McLennan County in central Texas, extreme northeastern Bell County in central Texas, extreme western Falls County in central Texas, until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:34 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was located over Troy, or 8 miles north of Temple, moving north at 25 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for the Waco metropolitan area. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Hazard, deadly tornado. Source, public. At 4:31 p.m., Doppler radar estimated wind speed exceeding 275 miles per hour within the tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Waco, Troy, Eddy, Brooksville Eddy, Lorena, Hewitt, Beverly Hills, Woodway, Belmed, Robinson, Baylor University, Lacey Lakeview, North Crest, and El Mott. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 308 and 344. Repeating, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. Take cover now.